here's how to short any video on the iPad. So let's get started. Let me show you how it works. And if you are first time here on Foxtecc, consider subscribing as I have plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, in order to cut any video short, you have at first the built-in solution. Like if you open up the Photos app, you can get inside any video, like make it go full screen as such. And in order to make it shorter, just tap on the edit button, and at the bottom you have a little timeline, but you can grab either the left or right edge of the video and kind of like drag it toward the middle, so you are cutting the video short, right? You are removing either the beginning parts or ending parts. That's like the trimming of the video. It works fine. You can hit it done and it will be saved. And also you will be able to revert back to the original size if you decide to change it later. So it also works in reverse if you ever change your mind. But yeah, as you could notice, we can only cut it or shorten it from one side or the other. If you would like to cut out some middle parts of the video, it's not really going to work through this solution. For that, we would need a dedicated video editor. In my videos, I keep recommending CapCut because it works well and you can get it for free for the most part. And in there, you can just import the videos like that, go to the middle somewhere, click split, then split it again, and you can literally cut out some middle parts of the clip. And this also makes the video it's going to make it like shorter at the end, but not from the beginning or at the end, but we just cut out some middle portion of it. But that would be all from me. I really hope I can help you out. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end, and I'll catch you in the next videos too.